Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be playing with some slime. My slime is this beautiful sparkly with stars on it. His is going to be the galaxy slime that no longer looks like galaxy slime because it has been 9 months since we played with them. So now let's get on to this video. Before I get started, please put on the notification bell to know when we post all our videos, and to please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you do so, you'll get a shout out. And if you want that to happen, comment down below and say, I subscribed and I want a shout out. So thank you guys, and let's start. This is mine. I'm going to start with mine. Girls first. Haha. So before I get started, I'm going to also show you what I have on. You're going to tell me what I put on in the end of the video. I'm going to ask. So, yeah. This is this slime. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Guys, comment down below if it looked big in the container. Like, guys, look. Now it's like not even nothing. Like, it's not even full. Like, look, halfway. Okay, now comment down below. This is not sticky at all. Like, it's weird. It's cold though. Now put your smell-o-vision and smell this. Like, it smells so good. Like, look. Smell. Okay, so now look, guys. He's gonna do his slime today.
So, as she said, I am gonna do my galaxy slime now. Let's see what I'm gonna do.
Guys, we got popsicles. Comment down below what's your favorite color popsicle. Mine is pina colada.
Mine is red.
Cherry. Excuse me. So we're gonna see you guys after we eat our ice cream. So bye. So I'm finished. He's not. You could hear him. He's eating his ice cream. So I'm gonna do his galaxy slime, which is not no more. Okay, it's open. Goodness gracious. Guys, look at it closely. It looks like there is lots of... Now this one's big, but it's so breakable. I should fix it. Gonna get some lotion. Okay, I'm gonna come. I got a little bit of lotion. Look, it looks so creamy foam. I'm rubbing it on. Rubbing it. He's back. So I'm still doing his slime. He cannot play with sticky slime. It's like not his thing. He could like die if he gets sticky slime. Like, it would stick all over him. And it would be like very sticky and naughty.
This is very metallic.
Yeah, it's a metallic blue.
It looks grayish.
It's like a grayish metallic blue. So there's a lot of pigment on here. Like, so if I break it, the pigment, you can see like the pigments. So yeah. That was just all for today. So see you till next time.